Hello kids, let's learn the today action words. Okay. D is for dancing. D-A-N-C-I-N-G, dancing. S is for singing. S-I-N-G-I-N-G, singing. S is for swimming. S-W-M-M-I-N-G, swimming. F is for fighting. F-I-G-S-T-I-N-G, fighting. B is for brushing. B-R-U-S-H-I-G, brushing. What we should do every day, okay? W is for walking. W-A-L-K-I-N-G, walking. T is for talking. T-A-L-K-I-N-G, talking. Reading. R is for reading. R-E-A-D-I-N-G, reading. S is for sleeping. S-L-E-E-P-I-N-G, sleeping. S is for skipping. S-K-I-P-P-I-N-G, skipping. R is for running. R-U-N-N-I-N-G, running. L is for laughing. L-A-U-G-H-I-N-G, laughing. B is for bathing. B-A-T-H-I-N-G, bathing. D is for drinking. D-R-I-N-K-I-N-G, drinking. E is for eating. E-A-T-I-N-G, eating. W is for writing. W-R-I-T-I-N-G, writing. W is for watching. W-A-T-C-H-I-N-G, watching the TV. S is for sitting. S-I-T-T-I-N-G, sitting. J is for jumping. J-U-M-P-I-G, jumping. P is for playing. P-L-A-Y-I-N-G, playing. Now you all sing with me, okay? D is for dancing. S is for singing. S is for swimming. F is for fighting. B is for brushing. W is for walking. T is for talking. R is for reading. S is for sleeping. S is for skipping. R is for running. L is for laughing. B is for bathing. D is for drinking. E is for eating. W is for writing. W is for watching TV. S is for sitting. J is for jumping. P is for playing. Okay, we'll see you next video. Bye bye. Take care.